Now this is an Atherley Narrows Railroad swing bridge over the lake. Conchin, located in Orillia, Ontario, Canada. Now I believe this bridge is abandoned too. Yeah, it's abandoned, so it's a single track. And look at this right here. Yeah, and it's the only swing bridge in Orillia, Ontario. I mean, it did have two other swing bridges, earlier swing bridges, but they was removed, and so like this the only one that's in Canada, in Ontario. So they used to swing for train traffic, but it's now abandoned, and now boats and ships can go through them now. So